Hello. This course, EH222, the Economic History of the Middle East and North Africa, is a new course that is introduced to the undergraduate students at the London School of Economics. The motivation for this course comes from the fact that many, if not most, of the problems that face the Middle East and North Africa today have deep origins in the region's history, not only the recent history, not only the post-colonial history, but certainly the colonial and even the pre-colonial history. The course will try to introduce the students to certain themes in the economic history of the region that are of great importance to understanding the region's history. So in a sense, it's a theme-based rather than a periodic approach. Some of the themes that we will cover in this class are, for example, what is the definition of the Middle East and North Africa? How did the population of this region become Muslim, for example, during the Middle Ages? What do we know about the economic performance of the region vis-à-vis Europe throughout the Middle Ages and the modern period? What do we mean by Islamic institutions? How did the institutions emerge? What is the historical process of production of these institutions? What kind of property rights on land and on labor did people have? We will also examine themes such as state-led development, such as inequality, education, socioeconomic inequality across ethnoreligious groups. It's very important to emphasize that this course will take a view from below. So its focus will not be on the macroeconomic perspective that has been widely emphasized in studying the region. So our focus will not be simply to say, why did the Middle East lag behind Europe, for example, and so forth. Instead, we are focusing on the view from below, from the viewpoint of the local populations and their own preferences and the behavior of these populations during the Middle Ages and the modern period. Second, this course will take a so-called modern approach to understanding the economic history of the region. By modern, I mean that we will emphasize the recent developments in understanding the economic history of the region. These recent developments happen because of the availability of local archives as opposed to colonial archives. We're going to study new data sources for the region, such as archeology, papyrology, literary sources, and others. Third, in terms of methods, the course will combine qualitative and quantitative methods. So one aspect of the course will be also to introduce the students to state-of-the-art econometric methods applications in the economic history of the Middle East and North Africa, and how to complement this with a qualitative historical evidence from the region. So all in all, this is a new course. I would say it's a course at the frontier of understanding the economic history of the region, and I very much hope that many students will find it interesting. Due to the interdisciplinary nature of this course, I would say this course should be of interest to students in various disciplines, such as economic history, obviously, but not only this. I would say it should be of interest to students in economics, in political science, in geography, in sociology, and in international history. Thank you very much, and I hope that you will enroll in this course. Bye.